Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach third standard environmental science. In that beautiful lesson, our universe. Yes, our universe is a lesson related to our planet, some of the constellations, what the stars, and the different things you can see. So, what this universe consists of? Let's study in this lesson. Okay? So during the day, when the sun shines, the sky is blue and seem endless. If you see in the daytime, when the sun is shining, if you see the sky, we cannot see the end of the sky. It is endless. Look at the night, sky at the night. You will see that there are thousands of tiny speck of light in the sky. Most of these are stars. Yes, they're beautiful. Some are bright, while the other may be faint. Observe carefully, and you may see that some specks do not twinkle in that. So, these are the things what we generally see in the sky during the day as well as in the night time. So, what this solar system consists of, children? If you see the solar system, we can see the planets. The first planet Mercury, second Venus, third is our beautiful planet Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, then Uranus and Neptune. Is it? In the olden time, people found that some of the tiny light seen in the sky which do not twinkle were moving. They were not seen in the same position every time people looked at the sky. Sometimes they were not seen at all, so they called them as planets, children. Yes. In olden days, people, what they found that some of the tiny lights seen in the sky, which is not twinkling, but moving. They were not seen in the same position where they were. Early time, people looked at the sky. Sometimes they were not seen at all. So they called that one as planet, which means wanderer, because they're not seeing in the same position. We live on the planet Earth. That is a part of a solar system. Is it no? See, the solar system consists of different planets. In that, one of the planet is our planet. That is a blue planet, which is a light planet. Isn't it, children? Yes. We live on the earth, which is a part of solar system, children. We also see the sky, sun, the moon in the sky. Yes, children. Obviously, if you will see the sky, we can see the sun, we can see the moon. During the day, we see sun. During the night, we see the moon, children. These heavenly bodies are also part of the solar system. Yes, the sun, the moon is a part of the solar system, children. Solar system consists of the sun, the moon, the earth, and the other planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, children. What is this stars? Although there are several millions of stars in the sky, we see only few of this. No? Night time, is it? Yes. There are millions of stars are present in the sky. Very few of them you can able to see. All stars have their own light, children. The stars which are close to us, they are appearing very bright. That are the stars, they are far from us, they look dim. So the stars present in group. The group of stars are called clusters, children. Yes. In the sky, children, we can see millions of stars. But in that millions of stars, very few stars we can see clearly in the night time. All the stars, what we can see, they have their own light. The stars which are near to us, they see very bright. And the stars that is far away from us, they look dim. The group of stars, what we can see, they are clusters. Okay, this is about stars, children. Come to the constellation. Yes. If you look at these clusters of the stars, you will see that they form some pattern. Yes, children. If you see the sky in the night time, you will draw some patterns. That patterns with a group of stars, we call that as constellations, children. The cluster of stars, what you can see, they are showing certain pattern, children. Such group of stars are called constellations. Okay, the group of stars, we call them as constellation. People have given names to this constellation based on the pictures. Okay, millions of stars of various size, they form galaxy. Our galaxy is a Milky Way. Okay, so galaxy have different shape and move in space. The solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. What we have solar system, no? The solar system is in the galaxy. Our galaxy is Milky Way. Yes, children. Our galaxy is Milky Way. When see through the telescope, the Milky Way galaxy look like white patch of milk across the night sky. Why we have given the name Milky Way? Because it appears in a white patch. So that's why we gave the name Milky Way. Okay. Children, a group of stars, we call them as clusters. This cluster of the stars form certain patterns in the night sky. That pattern, we call it as constellations, children. People have given name to the constellations. There are some major, are some minor. Different names are given. Okay. So millions of stars, they form galaxies. This galaxy have different shape, different size, and they move in a space. Our galaxy, our solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy. Why we gave the name Milky Way? Because if you see our galaxy, it will look like white patch. So we gave the name Milky Way, children. What about the sun? The sun is also a star, children. Remember it. The sun is a star. It is the center of the solar system. It occupies a place in the central part of the solar system. The unique thing about the sun is, what is the unique thing about the sun? The unique thing about the sun is it has very hot gases. It is a huge ball of very hot gases. This is the unique thing about the sun. The sun is close to the earth, so its heat and light reaches us. There would be no life on earth without the sun. Yes, children. If sun is not there, there will be no life. So, the sun is essential for all the living organisms to survive, to live. In that, the sun is a star where we can see in the center of the solar system. This sun is close to our planet Earth. Our beautiful planet Earth is nearer to the sun. The Earth is in the third position. Because of that, it gets sufficient heat and light from the sun. What about the planets? The planets, there are 8 planets in solar system. Which are those? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are the inner planet. Means these are the planets, they are close to the sun. They are getting close to the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the planets. They are nearer to the sun. Whereas Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are called outer planets. Yes, children, these are the planets. They are away from the sun. That is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are called outer planets. Planets have no light of their own. Just they reflect the light of the sun. By observing the sun rays, they are going to reflect the light of the sun, children. They move around the sun. Yes, if you see the solar system, the center part is the sun. Around the sun, the planets are moving. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn. All these planets are moving around the sun in a fixed path, in a fixed manner. They move around the sun in fixed path known as orbit. Okay, children. The planets move around the sun in a fixed path. We call that one as orbit. Okay. Like a top, planet also spin around the invisible axis. We can see the top. The planets is also spinning, rotating in their own axis. All planets have different size. Jupiter is the largest planet what we can see in the solar system. Okay, children. In the planets, we have 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay. So, these 8 planets, they move in their own axis, their own orbit. Okay. In that, Jupiter is the largest planet. Come to the moon, children. You see the moon? It looks so beautiful. Just as you have friends, planet also have companions. The companions of the planets are satellites as they move around the planets. That satellite, they are natural satellite and man-made satellites are there. Our natural satellite, that is a moon is a natural satellite of Earth. Okay, children. So the companions of planets are called satellites, and they move around their planets. Satellites also reflect light of the sun. Okay, no children, they will absorb the light of the sun and they reflect the light of the sun. The moon is the natural satellite on Earth. Although from the Earth, both of the sun and moon appear to be of same size. If you see in the sky, the sun, the moon, they appear in the same size, no children? Yes. However, it is a loss closer to the earth than the sun. Yes, children. As you know that moon is a natural satellite of earth. This moon is closer to the earth compared to the sun. Okay, the changing shape of the moon we can see in the sky. The moon changes its shapes. We call it as phases of moon. Yes, it is called as phases of moon, children. This happened because of changing position of moon in relation to the earth and the sun. When the moon is changing their position, we can see different phases of the moon, children. We only see the part of the moon that is lit up by the sun. Due to the advancement of technology, astronauts have visited the moon by using, yes, rockets, space shuttles. As you know that our astronauts, they reach it to the sky, they reach to the moon with the help of rockets and space shuttles. For the discovery, it has been discovered that the moon has rock mountains. The moon consists of the mountains which is made up of rocks and covered with sand covered plains. Okay, along with the mountains and sand covered plains, it also have huge holes in the ground. That huge holes is called craters. If you see in the picture, you can see the craters of the moon, children. Okay, so the moon is a natural satellite of the planet Earth. This moon is near to the earth when compared to the sun. It also takes the light of the sun and reflects back. This moon changes its shape. We call it as phases of moon, children. Okay. And then because of advanced technology, our astronauts has reached to the moon by the space shuttles and by rockets. They found that the moon is made up of rock mountains, sand covering plains. Along with that, number of holes, they are called craters. Okay. Now come to the Earth, our beautiful planet, our living planet. The Earth is the only planet where living organism will live. The Earth is also known as, yes, blue planet, because the Earth is covered with water. So it is called blue planet because 3/4 of the surface is covered by water and 1/4 by land. It has a layer of air known as atmosphere, children. Yes, the earth is surrounded by a layer of air. We call that layer as atmosphere. Yes, it is also right distance from the sun. So the plants, animals and human being are able to live on earth. Our earth has consist of water and air, which is essential for living. Okay, no children? Children, in this beautiful lesson, our universe, we learnt about lot of things. That is the solar system. Solar system has consist of different planets. Okay, in that we learn stars. There are millions of stars are there in the sky. Few of them near to us and few of them far to us. In that, a group of stars form a pattern we call as constellations that consist of the galaxies. That is, a Milky Way is our galaxy. And the sun is the center part of the solar system, which is a huge ball of heavy gases. And then the planets, our solar system or the universe, the solar system has consist of 8 planets. In that, some planets are nearer to the sun and some are far to the sun. They move in a fixed path known as orbits. And the moon is a natural satellite of the earth. It is near to the earth compared to the sun. It has changing the shape called as phases of moon, where we can see the change in the shape of the moon at different time. Because of the advanced technology, our astronauts have visited to the moon. They saw that the moon has consist of rocks, mountain, sand covering, and a holes called as a craters. And the earth, our earth is a beautiful planet and named as a blue planet because 3/4 of it covered by water, 1/4 by land. It is surrounded by air. Because of the air and water, we can able to live. And plants, animals and human beings can live on the earth. Okay, now children, in this class we learnt a lot about the universe. In the next class, I am going to start the new lesson. Until then, bye. Have a good day.